Hey there, House-APVA listeners. Welcome back to your go-to channel for all things audio and creative industry update. I'm T-Code and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we've got a fantastic lineup of news, exciting opportunities, and a creative spotlight you don't want to miss. So let's dive right in. If this community has sparked your creativity or inspired you in any way, why not spread the word? Hit that like button, share this episode, and invite other creatives to join us. And hey, don't forget to visit apva.africa to become a member and stay in the loop. Podbreaks Africa is here again. If you're a podcaster trying to figure out how collaboration in the audio industry works, then this edition of Podbreaks is for you. In this edition of Podbreaks Africa, you will be learning the power of collaboration in podcasting, building and networking with other creatives, and how strategic partnerships, guest appearances, and co-creation can help you. Date 27th June 2025. In this new episode with TONY DOE, a podcast and media strategist answering your question, this episode tackles one of the biggest challenges for podcast creators: discoverability. If you're creating great content but struggling to grow your audience, SEO might be the missing link. The VO Star Africa premiere episode is now showing episode 2 of the talent and the bold new journey into the heart of Africa's voiceover industry. Meet the talents behind the mic, discover their stories, and get exclusive insights into the craft, hustle, and future of voice acting across the continent. As creativity beckons, join Creative Academy's open house to unlock the doors to your artistic potential. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant world of innovation and artistry that awaits you. Whether you're an actor, screenwriter, or cinematographer, this is your chance to connect, learn, and ignite your passion. Date June 16, 2025. Join Poet Tolu for a lively session in the heart of Lagos. Feel free to bring your favorite Poet Tolu books for signing or pick up at the venue. Admission is free, but registration is compulsory. Date June 15, 2025. Join the One Voice Conference USA, a celebration of voiceover talent and creativity. This dynamic event brings together industry leaders, voice actors, and creatives for insightful talks, workshops, and networking opportunities. Date August 21st to 24th, 2025. Our spotlight of the week is David Atta. David Atta is a Nigerian voiceover artist, voiceover coach, and content creator. He is the founder of Daza Voiceover, a fast-growing creative agency that provides professional voiceover services, talent training, and mentorship across Africa. With over 7 years of experience, he has voiced for top brands like Airtel, DSTV, Fastest Cakes, and the Development Bank of Nigeria. Connect with him on Instagram at The Psalmist David. And that's a wrap for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in. If you're hungry for more content, be sure to visit our website at apva.africa for all the latest updates. Stay connected, stay creative, and as always, keep on grooving. See you next time.